Okay, we need to get this hair looking right, honey. My curls are kind of popping, but not all the way popping, if you know what I mean. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. A very warm welcome to my channel. You can call me Shaunz, but my name is really Shauna, to be honest, but you can call me Shaunz. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by today. Your girl is super excited because it's finally spring. I know I live in the islands, but I am so excited because I love spring and I love summer. And I'm more happy for you guys that live in the colder places, because you can get to, you know, put the coats and the jackets away for now, and you know, put on your bright colors, your bold colors, and step out there and enjoy the warmer days that are ahead. So I'm super excited, and because I'm so excited, you guys, I decided to do a look, you know, a colorful look, something that represents the sunshine and a bit of purple in there, and neutral lips, because I didn't want to go too bold on the lips and take away from the eyes. So I do like this look that I created today, and if you did, make sure that you thumbs it up before you go, and of course subscribe to my channel before you go. Do me a little favor now, please. Subscribe before you go, okay? It's a button down there. It's that red button down there. Make sure that you click it, and also whilst you're there, click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, make sure that you comment, share this video, and thumbs up. As I said, thumbs up. If you liked it, thumbs up. Why not? If you like me and you like what you see, thumbs up and subscribe. All of the links are going to be listed in the description box down below, so go ahead and check out the description box. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do the tutorial on this look because I don't want to keep yapping. So I'm going to go ahead and do the tutorial to this look. So I do hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so foundation and brows are checked off. Now we're going to go ahead and do the eyes. Of course, I've primed my lids with some concealer, and then I'm going to go ahead and set that with some Ben Nye banana powder just so my eyeshadows don't budge. We're going to go ahead and use the Life's Drag palette, and the first shade I'm going to be using is that matte yellow called Campy, and I'm going to pop that into my crease area. This is something that I usually do, just use like a matte shade to pop into my crease area and blend that out. And then as I blend, I keep losing it, so I'm going to keep adding it until I get the desired amount. Okay guys, so you might have noticed that since lately I've been using concealer to carve out 1/3 of my lid, and this is a technique that I absolutely enjoy doing because it helps my eyeshadows to stick and pop as well. So what I'm going to do is carve out that area. It's not going to be a cut crease or anything. It's just to carve out that bit of crease that I want my eyeshadow to stick to. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to be using the shade called Nairobi, and it's a beautiful yellow goldeny shade. So I'm going to go back and use the shade Campy to kind of blend Nairobi together because I want them to kind of mesh seamlessly. Okay guys, so I wanted a little bit more depth to this look, so I'm going to go ahead back into the Life's a Drag palette and use the brown shade called Mug, and I'm going to blend that into my crease area, into my inner corner, and I'm going to keep blending that out because I don't want it to be too harsh. I just wanted a little bit more depth. Alright, so we're going to apply our lashes, and these are Shaunz Beauty lashes in the style called Sassy. We are closed at the moment, but please keep your eyes peeled for when we are going to be reopened. But these are some of my favorite lashes from the Shaunz Beauty line, and these again are called Sassy. I love the way they make my eyes look. Alright, so to make this look a little bit more fun, I'm going to be adding some purple gel liner, and this is from LA Girls and it's called Paradise Purple. I'm going to go ahead and smudge that into my lash line area. You guys know I love my colors here and there, and this is perfect for the spring season. Then I'm going to go ahead and smudge some purple shadow onto that from the Juvia's Place palette, the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and the shade I am using to smudge that gel liner out is called Makeda. And I just loved how the purple just tied into the yellow. Oh, so pretty. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add Nairobi again into my inner corners because I want my inner corners to look, you know, more alive. And then I'm going to keep on adding some more of that brown shade called Mug just to build up the outer V's again because I've lost some as I keep blending and blending. But as I blend, I keep adding because I don't want to lose these colors. Okay, so I'm going to be using MAC lip liner in cork to line my lips, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, MAC lipstick in Dead Roses, and to top that off, I'm going to be using Rimmel lip gloss in Stay My Rose. And of course we're going to spray that face, you guys, so we can break down that powdery look. And then after I've sprayed my face, I'm going to add my highlighter, and this is Jenny Jenkins times Black Up highlighter. And voila, my look is complete except for that little thing on my face, which I'm going to get rid of eventually. But the look is now complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.